Welcome back again, and we start with the very good and positive news. Actually, as the Egypt Green Hydrogen Project won a great contract worth the 397 million euros. It's such a great contract, and this is within the framework of the national strategy for the green hydrogen, and also matching and cooperating with the other national strategy with the Supreme Council of Energy. Egypt was decisively determined to go through a very ambitious roadmap for producing and localizing the green energies, those with the framework of the ecosystem and combating the climate change. So, starting with the time of since President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi started his leadership to Egypt, he was so ambitious concerning, while he knew the connection between the prices of energy and the prices of food, and that's why he wanted to draw a clear roadmap for energy and for green energy. Well, we start also with the what Egypt and how Egypt paved the way for this to be a regional hub for the green hydrogen in the whole world, and paving the way with the infrastructure and in energy and legislative framework. But we shed more light with this. We are delighted to have over the phone Dr. Engineer Sameh Nomaan, professor at the Faculty of Engineering and renewable energy expert. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
So we're starting with such a great and good economic news with winning such a great contract of the integrated economic zone of the El Sokhna, or the Suez Canal zone, winning such contract of which worth is 397 million euros with the EU, producing the green ammonia. So would you please, as an expertise, clarify us the difference between the ammonia producing soda ash and the green hydrogen?
Yes. Ammonia is considered one of the most important basic chemicals. It contains 82% nitrogen and 18 hydrogen. It is a natural colorless gas and pungent odor. Ammonia is stored and imported in a liquid state in special tanks designed for this purpose. The commonly used ammonia is a blue ammonia at the rate of 72%, which uses natural gas to produce blue hydrogen. Then ammonia that uses coal at a rate of 22%, and the ammonia from various other materials at a rate of 5%, while green ammonia previously did not exceed 1%. For green ammonia, it consists of green hydrogen and the nitrogen in the same ratio as before. And there is no any carbon dioxide emission, so it is the better type of hydrogen and the green ammonia when using green hydrogen.
Yeah. Doctor, yes, please, continue. Yes.
Green ammonia uses for agriculture, also used for pharmaceutical industry.
We're producing from green ammonia fertilizers, I think, yeah? Is it right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Also
right.
for industrial, textile, metallurgy, household cleaners, pesticide. However, green ammonia is rapidly gaining popularity in countries, especially Europe countries, after the war between Russia and Ukraine.
Yep.
After this war between Russia and Ukraine, which caused secession from natural gas from Russia and to Europe, the gas was the main source for blue ammonia production. Okay.
Dr. Sameh, it's very potential to Egypt to use to the optimum the great natural sources that it has, like solar energies and wind energies. And that's why we're supposed to be really a regional hub for green hydrogen, and for the green ammonia. So, would you please also shed more light here concerning this?
Yes. When we need the blue ammonia, we usually use gas. But for blue ammonia, but for green ammonia, usually we use analysis of water using renewable energy only. Using the renewable energy only with the water. There is no carbon dioxide emission, and it is case only other of ammonia. Green ammonia is gaining increasing importance for power holder, clean fuel, transition towards the carbon-free economy, reducing dependence of fossil fuel such as natural gas, enhance energy security, reduce energy price fluctuations, green ammonia sustainability, used in energy-intensive industries, and it is used in all types of transportation. So green ammonia or green hydrogen depends only on the renewable energy and water only.
Yeah. Dr. Sameh, when we talk about this lucrative contract which Egypt won through the H2 global auction for the value of 397 million euros to export green ammonia to the EU. When we talk about the added value or the ROI of the contract in which Egypt will export green ammonia to the EU till the 2030 with the price of 1,000 euro for each ton. How do you find it?
See, let me to explain some details starting from first. We will open the largest scope for exporting successive quantities of green ammonia to Europe countries and countries of the world. Egypt will become major center for production and the export of green ammonia to countries of the world. This is done due to the capabilities that were available in Egypt during the previous period of scientific and practical experts in establishing renewable energy station and water distillation, which lead to the interest countries around the world, especially Europe countries, which are in dire need to green hydrogen and energy. Europe attempts to move away from fossil fuels and search for sustainable energy, green energy from countries that have these capabilities. To the importance of Egypt because apart, and the recognition from the International Energy Organization that Egypt is a major center for the production of green hydrogen in the world. In addition to the fact that Egypt has prepared a special area for the production of green hydrogen in Sokna area, it contains renewable energy and desalination water suitable for producing green hydrogen. In addition to intensive issue of Prime Minister to investors, as well as close distance between Egypt and Europe countries. Egypt has proven its position in the production of green hydrogen by signing this contract and relying on Europe countries to import green ammonia from Egypt starting from year 2027 to 2033. The contract from H2 Global Foundation pilot auction is an intensive fund by the German Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Climate Protection. And based on the contract quantities, the renewable ammonia are being supplied starting with potential level of up to 19,500 tons in year 2027. This means producing 3,600 tons of green hydrogen per year or 300 tons green hydrogen per month, and this is a small production quantity and so easy to be produced. With the possibility of the quantity rising after that to potential level of up to 397,000 by 2033. This is mean producing 72,000 tons of green hydrogen per year, or 6,000 tons of green hydrogen per month. Also, it is easy for production.
Yeah.
This contract based on a price of €1,000 per ton. To prove that Egypt is ready for this contract is one, supplying the first ship heating from Southeast Asia to Europe to operate with green fuel in August 2023 with amount of 500 tons of green fuel from Port Said Port, which is the largest amount of fuel used by ship during its trip. Second, exporting the first shipment of green ammonia in the world to India in November 2023.
2023, yes. So, Dr. Sameh, President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi is always making clear that localizing the green industries is a top priority. And also localizing the components of the green industries, I mean like the solar panels and also the wind or the wind turbines. Also, how important it is to localize such components for the local or domestic industry?
Yes, he prepared many factories for supporting this component for establishing renewable energy, and also for desalination of water. Also making a big area for hydrogen factory for hydrogen in Al Ain Sukhna, connected with the Ain Sukhna port by special road and the special store for ammonia, and they give many intensive for the investors to come here to start with hydrogen projects. For this point, Egypt made 3 contracts with Egypt location and the climate lead to contracting three marine lines to transport renewable energy to Europe via marine cables. Each cable has a capacity of 3 gigawatts. The first from Egypt to Cyprus and then to Greece. The second is from Egypt to Italy, then Germany and Central Europe. The third is from Egypt to industrial zone in Italy. This all means that Egypt are ready for transport renewable energy, also for transport green hydrogen and green ammonia.
Yeah, also President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi is giving great importance to our ports. I mean, port of El Sokhna, the new port of Suez Canal with the new logistics area and the new integrated economic zone over there. And we started already to provide the ships over there with a green fuel. How you find the importance of this?
This is the backbone of for introducing the ammonia or green hydrogen, and this is supported by big projects for new renewable energy and the desalination water. These areas are prepared and all infrastructures are ready. If any investors come to this area, no money paid for license to start. Also, no money paid for or taxes for exporting, for importing any equipment for this project. So everything is so easy to start as a green energy project in this area.
Yep, Dr. Engineer Sameh Nomaan, Professor at the Faculty of Engineering and Renewable Energy expert. Thank you for being with us. Have a nice day.